Here's McKee's 37 Trademark Garage with Nick Rutter.
Modern vehicles are covered in plastic trim. Every new car manufactured in the last 20 years has this pebble textured plastic somewhere. Could be along the bottom, the windshield cowl, the front bumper. There's a number of different places. And this trim fades over time. McKee's 37 Wax Remover for Plastic is an intense cleaner that removes stubborn wax stains and it preps it for our plastic trim restore. This product is very strong. Simply spray it on. It's going to remove the old wax by dissolving it, but it's not going to damage the surrounding materials like the paint or the glass or the chrome. Take a stiff brush and you want to quickly scrub the trim. Take a clean microfiber towel, wipe it off, and then the next step is plastic trim restore. This is going to restore the color. It's a clear polymer sealant. It's not a dressing that washes off. A little bit goes a long way. It's going to restore the factory appearance, and it's not going to run when it gets wet. Works on all color plastic trim, and it only takes minutes to apply. These two products are so good that Bob McKee put his name on them.